Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat dyan. At ayan guys, ipapakita ko po sa inyo itong lugar na ito. Ito ay isa sa pinakamagandang tourist spot dito sa lugar namin sa Mindanao. Ang pangalan po dito guys ay Enchanted River, Hinatuan, Surigao del Sur. Napakaganda dito guys. Pag makarating kayo dito, sulit ang punta nyo dito. Napakaganda. Tingnan nyo ang tubig guys, ang linaw. Maraming isda dito guys. Ito po ang tubig na ito ay mix fresh water and sea water, pero maraming isda dito guys na galing sa dagat. Mamaya ay paakyatin na kami guys. At ngayon, paakyat na kami guys, mag-fish feeding na.
Welcome everyone to Enchanted River. Madayang mapagkani sa Enchanted River. The daily fish feeding is shown to the public as a cultural segment. The feed, which is only a small portion of the daily food requirement of the fishes, is actually a fresh catch that is part of their natural diet. As part of connecting to our history, we are showing this tradition of fishermen of Hinatuan going back to the blue waters of the river. After a challenging but bountiful fishing at sea, they show their gratitude to Mother Nature by giving an offering to the spirits of the underground spring. The spirits are believed to be dwelling here where the fish abound. This is our way of showing everyone how we should give back to the environment and take care of Mother Nature.
Grabe na pag copyright ari kanta ha. Tambak mo kayo. Tambak mo.
Encantado about a local maiden he fell in love with. It was given a tune with music by Francisco Rio. The poem talks about a crystalline stream flowing from a hidden spring and a canopy of rich green mirrored in water-tinted blue. Many years since, the river has remained true to its color, bluer than blue.
Pangha na guro nilang uban.
At ayan guys, tapos na po sila nagpakain ng mga isda. Ayan, ang daming isda guys, at saka ang linaw ng tubig. At kami guys ay pwede na po balik ulit maligo doon sa baba. Tapos na po nagpakain ng isda. At ayan guys, maraming salamat po at see you my next video guys. Please follow and subscribe my video guys. Thank you and God bless us all. See you my next video. Tangin lagnit para.